Hi friends, today we are going to study what are the methods of economics. There are two main methods that are deductive method and inductive method. Deductive method is a process of reasoning from general to particular, and it is universal to the individual, or it is otherwise known as analytical method or a priori method. And for this deductive method, we first formulate assumptions and then reach to logical deduction. The testable hypothesis test against observed facts. We need to test the hypothesis, we need to test the assumptions. And from this test, we come to the conclusion, and this conclusion then becomes theories. All the microeconomic models are deductive method or deductive model. Let's find induction. Inductive method is a process of reasoning from particular to general or from individual to universal. Inductive method is also known as empirical method or realistic method. Then we can formulate generalizations, and these generalizations are made based on observed facts. Then there are positive and normative economics. Positive economics deals with the objective or scientific explanation of the working of an economy. Then positive economy is the study of what is, what was, or what will be, and how the economic problems of the society are to be solved or discussed under positive economics. It is free from value judgment. It is value judgment, saying something good or bad, judging something good or bad. That is value judgment. Positive economics is free from value judgment. We can discuss the cause and effect, and positive economics can be stated in the form of cause and effect statement. For example, if government imposes tax on a particular commodity, the price of that commodity may increase. This is positive economics. Then let's find what are normative economics. It is a study of what ought to be or how the problems of the society to be solved. Economic goals and policies to achieve these goals are discussed under normative economics. It involves personal value judgment. For example, the normative economics, for example, the distribution of income in India should be more equal. The normative analysis is based on positive analysis. Okay, thank you.